This might be the best niche for YouTube Shorts. Today, we're diving into a YouTube channel that's absolutely killing it with their shorts. This YouTube channel has over 1 million subscribers and more than 5 million views on several of their shorts, in a single short racking up 45 million views. Their success is nothing short of incredible. Plus, their channel is indeed monetized. Sounds amazing, right? Yeah, that's what I thought too. But here's the twist. Despite their massive success, they haven't posted any shorts in 8 months. Their last post was on November 21st, 2023, and they just start posting again 2 weeks ago. Seem like someone bought this channel and tried to revive it, but something feels off, right? So what do you think? Why did they stop posting? I mean, they are monetized, and you can see their views were strong as ever. Okay, I may have a theory on why they stopped posting. After watching their shorts, I noticed something. The videos they're using to make these shorts aren't original. They're actually taking content from another channel, which is a big, on YouTube. So basically, yes, they are monetized, but they're getting copyright claims on their every shorts. Or I could be completely wrong, but that's not the point. What really matters is that this niche gets views, and I find a way to make those videos fully monetizable. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own successful monetizable shorts in this niche. But before that, let's watch their shorts to get an idea of what we're aiming for. All right, after watching several of their shorts, I noticed these 3 key elements they use. Okay, first is that they start with a pretty interesting phrase or line to grab attention. Second, almost all of their videos are about interesting facts. And third, they use a satisfying video clip to keep viewers engaged. Let's break down each of these elements and see how you can use them in your own shorts. All right, first, let's create a script. We'll use ChatGPT to help with that. Let's make a video about weird American facts that will blow your mind. Just type, "Give me 5 fun food facts about Americans," and let's see what it comes up with. Copy the one you like the most and paste it into a note. Then, go back to ChatGPT. Paste the same text, but change the word food to game. Keep changing the topic to get new facts. For example, if you start with food, try music or another topic to find different content. Once you find 4 or 5 facts, move on to the next step, which is audio generation. Open Elevenlabs, paste all your facts, and choose Adam as your AI voice. Okay, let's refine our script now. First, remove any unnecessary parts. Put the most interesting fact at the beginning. Then write weird facts about Americans that will blow your mind. That's it. This is what my final script looks like. And by the way, I'm including only 3 facts to keep the video short. If you're making your own, include at least 5 to 6 facts for video length. Okay, now let's hear how it sounds.
The hamburger is one of the most iconic American foods. The average American eats around 150 burgers a year, which totals over 50 billion burgers consumed annually across the country. Weird facts about Americans that will blow your mind. The United States is...
Okay, it's good. Click here to download the audio. Let's move on to the next step, background visuals. They use satisfying video clips to keep the audience hooked. But guess what? We're not going to use those because they can get copyright claims. Instead, we'll use AI-generated pictures. Since we're not using these satisfying clips, we need to use eye-catching, crazy images to keep the audience engaged. Let me show you what I mean. Open Ideogram and choose the 9:16 aspect ratio. This way, the image will be vertical, not horizontal. Then, describe the image you want to create in detail, making sure it matches your script. For example, my script starts with,
American eat about 50 billion hamburgers a year.
So I want an image of a fat man eating burgers surrounded by a room full of hamburgers. Once you're done, click here to generate the image. All right, let's see what it comes up with. They all look good, but I think this one is the most eye-catching. I'll go ahead and download this one. Let's move on to the next image. Our script says, it's enough to circle the Earth 32 times. Okay, now I'm going to write, hamburgers circling around the Earth. Click to generate. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, these are fine, but they could be better. Let's refine our image instructions by adding hundreds of hamburgers. Let's see what it comes up with this time. Okay, these are much better. I particularly like this one. All right, that's it for the visuals. Simply repeat this process for each part of your script, refining the instructions as needed. Continue until you have all the images you need for your video. Let your creativity shine when writing image instructions. For instance, for the line weird American facts that will blow your mind, you could create an image of a shocked man with an American flag background. Okay, now you know how to come up with the script, audio, and visuals. Now it's time to put everything together, aka editing. Open CapCut, add the audio, and cut out all these silent gaps. Add all the images you created on ideogram and match them with your script. Then, add the transition effect you like and change the duration to 0.3 seconds. Click Apply to All, or you can add different transition effects between each clip. Next, add the zoom in effect. Click on the beginning of the image and add a keyframe. Then, move to the end of the image and zoom in slightly. This will automatically add a new keyframe. It should create a smooth zoom effect throughout the image. Then, repeat this process for every clip. Next, let's add captions. Click on Captions, then click Caption Template, select the one you like, then click on Auto-Generate Captions. Drag it to the center of the screen to keep viewers focused. Now let's spice things up by adding some spark effects and background music. Click on Effects, then on Spark and choose by the fireplace. Stretch the effect to cover all the images, but just the effect is needed. As for the audio, it took me hours to find, but they use this track in almost all of their shorts. I'll put the audio link in the description. Now let's add the audio. You can adjust the sound levels from here. Finally, let's see our finished video.
Americans eat about 50 billion hamburgers a year, enough to circle the Earth 32 times. Weird American facts that will blow your mind.
Nice, I really didn't want to make this video any longer. And that's it, folks. That's the whole tutorial. Remember, the goofier and weirder your images, the higher the retention, and more retention means more views. The more you create these videos, the better you'll get. Try to upload at least one video a day for consistent growth. Hope you succeed in your YouTube journey. See you in the next one.